d'apprendre à se connaître, d'apprendre à
Take time to learn about yourself and how you work best to make the most of your day.
d'une journée.
Put that phone out of reach. I think it's the same for everyone. It's so easy to get distracted by Instagram or Facebook.
I've realized how important it is to have a place to work that isn't the same place where you can just chill. Does distance learning make you feel stressed? Do you think you need to manage time better or find better strategies for studying? Do you feel like you sometimes lack motivation or focus? We have just what you need. We've created 5 short videos to help you study remotely at college or university. You'll discover strategies you can use to succeed. Want to learn more? Watch the videos and check out the companion resources.